This video using the Vivo V50, and you can see all the three colors that are available right here. I'm actually at the launch right now, and the prices are over here: 27,999 for 256 gigabytes and 30,999 for 512 gigabytes. And of course, you have two 50 megapixel main cameras, or two 250 megapixel cameras on the rear, and one 50 megapixel selfie camera up front. And of course, the aura light, the ring LED light, which you can control the color temperature. Let me show you how to do that in a bit. So all you have to do is go to the camera, go to the aura light feature. From here you can control the color temperature. You can see it changing as I drag the slider left and right. So if you guys have any questions about the Vivo V50, let me know in the comments. For more content on the Vivo V50, check out Tech Kuya on YouTube.